Effective core exercises are essential for achieving a flat stomach. These exercises target abdominal muscles, reduce belly fat, and enhance posture. Maintaining proper form during core exercises maximizes effectiveness and prevents injuries. Maintaining a straight line from head to heels is essential for proper plank form. Effectively engaging the core muscles. Controlled movements are crucial during crunches to prevent neck strain and maximize abdominal engagement. Effective Russian twists require torso rotation, not just arm movement, to fully engage the oblique muscles. Combining core exercises with a balanced diet and consistent lifestyle adjustments maximizes fat burn and midsection toning. Alternating between different muscle groups during exercise allows for proper muscle recovery and prevents overtraining. Integrating cardio exercises accelerates fat loss and contributes to a flatter stomach.